Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a thumbnail using Thumb Studio. First step is to open your browser, then type Thumb Studio. Then select the first website. If you haven't signed in before, make sure to sign in first. After signing into your account, go to Tool option, then scroll down, select a thumbnail you like. After selecting, click Load. Everything here is editable. You can add images, you can change the color of the background picture, or you can edit the font written. If you want to change the color of the background picture, simply click the background picture, go to image color, scroll down, put a tick to the blend color, then select the color you like. If you want to change the text in the thumbnail, simply click it and type what you want. And if you want to add a new text and change the color of it and change the font style, please follow these steps. Scroll down, go to text, adjust it, select the whole text, go to fill, select the color you want, and that's it. And if you want to add outline, go to outline, then select the color you want. You can also add a shadow, go to shadow, and select the color. Same way you can add a glow to your text too. Go to glow and add a color. After doing this, go to font, then family, and select the font you prefer. If you want to add a new image, go to upload image, then select an image. After selecting an image, click OK, then adjust it. If you want the text to appear in front of the picture, right click the text and click bring front. Then adjust the picture as you wish. And if you are satisfied with your thumbnail, simply scroll down and click download. After that, save it. Hope this tutorial was helpful. This is the easiest way to create a thumbnail using Thumb Studio. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe and stay tuned. Peace out.